rise and shine. Say good morning in Georgia. A nice little nappy hanging out to dry, as you do. Is that one of the 7 wonders of the world? Alright, so first night complete. It's alright, it's not the best of places. It's a bit of a dump, I must admit, but it'll do for another night because normally we intend to cook when we go to our hostel and like make use of the kitchen facilities, but here it's just not going to happen, so we're just going to eat out for today, which is fine. But yeah, we'll just book another night and then maybe move on to another city tomorrow. Okay, so here's our room. Much of a tour, but this is it. It's very basic. 2 single beds, a window, which is always a bonus, and this costs €8 a night, just to give you the prices. You know, that just goes to show how cheap travel can actually be. And not too bad, does the job, it smells okay, and for the summer times when it's not -1 outside like it is now, there's even aircon. Okay, so we've just extended one more night, and the price was €7.35. I just confirmed the price of it in pounds for the night, so it was £6.50 for 2 people for the night. So that works out at £3.25 for 1 person. Yeah, that's just make of it what you will. Them prices. Just saw some beautiful cake. Had to stop and have a little look at that. Yeah, let's see what this town has to offer. It's a beautiful day. It's a shame my hands are ice, and I'm choking on air again. Oh, that wind is prevalent. When you look up top 10 things to do in Kutaisi, this is like number 2, this roundabout. It's pretty nice, I must say. Do you reckon that's bronze? Someone nearly crashed? Yeah. It's a rather tough language. Can anyone translate for me? It's a lovely church. And I'm guessing just past here is some water, but I haven't actually looked at the map, so I'm not sure there is any water there. So what we plan to do today is get up to here, which is the top attraction of Kutaisi. So yeah, let's give that a go. It's not much of a hike, but it's a nice little walk. Let's see what we can find. This place is one up in our hostel. It's only £3.20. Not sure I'd want to stay there though. The tree has taken a balcony for itself. I think Alex Turner's been promoting himself. God knows how they got the structure of this road together. How does anyone know where they're going? Well, we made it to the top. It only took about 5 minutes from the bottom. It actually looks quite nice. Let's see if we can go inside. Well, the door's open. I presume we can go in. There's the bell tower. This actually got reconstructed in the 1990s. More dogs. I'm not sure if you can hear the wind, but it sounds like the sea crashing against the walls. There we go, I found a translation we can wrap our heads around. Souvenirs. Another word we all know. This is fitting to I'm Still Standing by Elton John. How is that still standing? This place certainly has its own character, I must say. But as an impression from today, after seeing it for the first time during daylight, I must say I do like it. It's a nice experience and it's a good taster of what Georgia has to offer. Yeah, I'm glad we stopped instead of going straight to Tbilisi because we'll see some nice sights and it certainly has its own charm here, which is nice. think we just come across a gold mine. So it's only 80p. Okay, well, breakfast is served. Oh, let's have a look at what we've got. I got 2. Pierre's got 1 there. So this was $5.50 for 3, which is not even £2. And they're huge. They're really big. Oh, they're warm as well. It's super tasty. I'm not sure what is inside, but it's a bit of onion, good bit of meat. Yeah, it's fantastic. It's a solid dish. Well, my eyes were way bigger than my belly. I'm gonna have to get that for takeaway. That one is for brunch, should we say? It's still breakfast time, 11, no? We'll have to eat that in a couple of hours. Yeah. Let's see what more the town has to offer. Here's where the magic is worked. Oh, the food is really good. It had a really nice curry taste to the food, no? So it's really good. We will be coming back, that's for sure. In the main square, in case you fancy a bounce. Who's this chap? Somebody's saving that for later. Look who's made another appearance. This is our friend from last night. Here he is. He's on a mission to show us the cable car. I'm not sure if he knows it or not, but mate, that's what you're up to today, right? You know your role. He's actually really lovely. Look how happy he is as well. He's wagging his tail. Well, he's managed to make a mate along the way. He's got a lovely pair of trousers. Okay, so tourist attraction. I'm not sure. I've lost count of what number it is, but yeah, this is it. It's a bridge. That's it. It's a bridge. You know, I can't glorify it much more. It's nice. It's metal and it's white. And some brain box has decided just to put a boxing machine here, as you do, test your strength. I mean, it just is a position for it. Who decides, I fancy a little box today? And look at that, just another randomly placed punch machine. What is going on here? Is this tradition? To just do this daily? What? I don't know, maybe. I think I might have figured it. Maybe everyone just needs a bit of stress relief, and that's how you do it here. Mate, I don't know how to break it to you, but you're not allowed into H&M with us. So that is the end of the first part of our full day in Kutaisi. The second part, which you don't want to miss out on, is when we visit the amusement park, which could potentially be abandoned. We haven't figured that out yet. So yeah, make sure to tune in for that one. And please give us a little subscribe and give the video a like. Let's get it moving. Come on.